Hi, my name is Joe Cotton, and I'm a champion stock picker and an expert market timer. As you can see, I have won 3 national contests, and I came in second in 2 other contests. I write a stock market letter called Cotton's Technically Speaking, which is published on the first and third Monday of the month. It costs $199 a year and comes with a market assessment and 8 or 9 stock picks with stock charts for each pick and trend lines drawn by me. It has a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, to show you how good it is, I'm featuring my November 20th, 2023 market letter, and I'm going to give you the results of my stock picks just within 30 days. Now, you can see my stock market letter there, Cotton's Technically Speaking. The market summary talks a little bit about the stock market and also shows the ratings of major brokerage houses for my stock picks. And then I show all the stock picks there. And then I also give you the stock charts. And on the stock charts, you can see that how I picked them on HubSpot. On HubSpot, that used to be like an $850 a share stock, and it got a lot less. But on Madigal, I bought that stock. It crossed over the trend line, the downward sloping trend line, at about $150 a share. It closed above its 50-day moving average, and I gave it a buy at 176.66. On Arcturus, that stock used to be an $85 stock back in 2021. It bottomed out, I thought, around $18 a share, $19 a share. Then they had a buy recommendation. It went up and crossed above its 50-day moving average. That's the blue line down there. That's usually a major buy signal when it crosses above that 50-day moving average. So that was a nice pick. Now, on Sunrun, Sunrun used to be a high-powered, I guess it was like solar power. It was solar power stock. And it used to be $90 a share in 2021. It was a hot stock. At bottom, you can see it made a head and shoulders reversal pattern. And I had a trend line there, which is the neckline of that. You can see it crossed above that neckline on volume, good volume, and also crossed above the 50-day moving average. And I gave it a buy at 11.67. Icosonics was $40 in 2021. You can see it made a nice consolidation pattern and crossed above a 50-day moving average, the blue line, and also crossed above the top trend line. Now, Biomea Sciences, Biomea Fusion it's a really great, I think it's a great biotech stock. Was selling for about $43 back in June, it looks like. Got all the way down to $8 or $9 a share. And I had picked that earlier in the year, and it tripled or doubled or tripled in about 60 days. And so I know it's a wonderful stock. So I gave it a buy rating at $10.40. And it crossed above the trend line, the downward sloping trend line, but it had not crossed above the 50-day moving average. But to me, it didn't matter. It was so cheap, it didn't matter. It was going to cross above it for sure. And Caribou Sciences, that was a $30 stock back in probably September of 2022. Got down and made a nice bottom formation, like a slanted head and shoulders bottom. I picked it at $5.22 just before it crossed over the 50-day moving average and before it crossed above that upper trend line. Vetagen, it's Vistagen, used to be a $100 stock, and it was just that's really a pure crapshoot. But anyway, those are the stock picks. Now, here's how they did. this is in 30 days, my stock picks. HubSpot was up 20% from 468 to 567. Madrigal up 38% from 176 to 245. Arcturus up 30% from 24.99 to 32.50. Now Sunrun was up 67%. I picked at 1167, got up to 1950 in just 30 days. Biomea Fusion actually doubled within 30 days. You'll see a chart of it later. It was actually doubled in about 2 weeks and a day. Caribou Sciences was up 19%. And Vistagen was up 56% from 338 to 530. Now, here are some stock picks or stock charts of those picks. You can see Arcturus, a nice stock. I picked it when it crossed above its 50-day moving average on an upswing. It made a formation, then took off again and got up to 32.50 within 30 days. Madrigal, I picked it at 176.66, and it got up probably in about 20 days, I guess, up to $245 a share, up 38%. That was a real nice move. Now, Biomea Fusion, it doubled within 2 weeks and a day from $10.40 up to $21. That's a real good stock. Now, Sunrun, also on the move, good pick at 1167, got up to 1950, up 67%, and that's just in 30 days. Now, I want to say one thing. Not all my stock picks go up, but a lot of them do go up, and some actually decline. But mostly they go up, and some go way up. Now, past performance is no guarantee of future results. And note, my market letter is not investment advice and is not to be construed in any way as investment advice. For investment advice, consult a certified financial planner or registered investment advisor. Now, I hope you subscribe to my market letter. It only costs $199 a year and comes with a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee beginning at the date of your first issue. You can also download just the most recent issue for only $9.99 at my website, cottonstocks.net. And by the way, if you've got psoriasis or has a friend that has it, I had it 40 years. It was very severe, and I cured it twice in 30 days. And to see how I did it, you can go to I Cured My Psoriasis in 30 Days by Joe Cotton on YouTube. Anyway, I hope that this has been informative for you. Good luck and God bless you.